Alright guys, right now we're arriving at Fire Pond, guys. Fire Pond. I'm with Alec today and a couple of his buddies. We're gonna be hitting up his pond. He said he's been catching some big ones in here lately, so we're gonna see what we can get. See if we can catch some toads. Oh god. There she is. Where's the other pond at?
Literally like down the road.
Okay. And that one has a boat?
2 boats? 2 boats.
Okay.
I mean, are we going there now? Let's fish this for a while.
Yeah, we should probably fish this.
Have you? I'm gonna go throw that plopper on that damn side. I'm guaranteed. Buddy, are you kidding me?
You're a god.
More like Fire Pond backlash fixer. I was fishing the other
You ready to
day.
hit that other pond or what?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Kobe's getting that boat out. Hey.
Are you coming down yet?
Yeah, sorry, I was picking this horrible backlash out, but yeah. Should we just come to your house or where should we?
We're all loaded up and ready.
Okay, cool. I'll follow you out there. See you.
Alright. We are now heading to another pond to go on a boat. So yeah, heading to another farm pond. They even say that they'll be catching some bigger ones in this pond, so we'll see. Let's go.
He's got another one out by the highway.
Man, this looks good. How deep is it?
I don't know.
Oh. Are we gonna shore fish for a little bit?
Yeah, we can shore fish.
Yeah.
Kobe caught a
Oh!
first cast, boy.
That's like a 2. Close to 2.
Yeah, probably bad.
First cast?
First cast on the plopper.
What?
Missed him.
You think?
Kobe and I just kind of walked around, and Kobe, we're over there.
This thing hasn't been fished in years.
Yeah, I know,
So
that's
they're
what.
just hungry for.
What? Dude, that's dope.
Yeah, the farmer that doesn't think there's any fish in here.
Yeah.
There it is.
What? Another one? Are you? Oh, got one.
Tripled up. Rippled up. Are you kidding me?
What? What?
Are you serious?
We gotta get a picture of this, dude.
Ripple up.
Hey, let's get a pic. Hey, Alec, take the picture. Or get a quadruple up. Alec, come on.
That's about the smallest we caught.
Yeah, these are the tiniest.
Dude, that's dope. Dude, first cast on the spinner.
Told you. The fire about it.
Yeah, so they're dead sticking me. Kobe goes over there and catches a 5.5. I was like,
Is there a big crappie in here?
Oh, what kind of mash is the last?
It's on a Shadow Lake this Sunday.
Oh, he's got one. He's got one. Is that big? No, dink.
God, stuck me. It was a good one.
He's got another one. What the heck? What?
I'm tripling up. Jesus.
Is this a joke? We've been here for 2 minutes. I'm gonna. Yeah, what the heck?
seriously? Oh my god!
What the freaking? Is this a? That's a good one. That's not a bad one.
2.5.
Yeah. No, it's not 2.5, but that's like a 2, pushing 2. Oh, got one. I got one.
Dude, this is what the heck is this?
This is a good one.
Is it Fire Pond yet?
Dude, yeah, this. Well, we knew this.
Oh wait, no.
Did you just say that one? I mean, it wasn't a bad one.
Phil. I've never fished anything this good in a while. I mean, they're dinks, but. We've caught like 10 already, and we've been here for 5 minutes. What?
I mean,
Me, why aren't they sticking?
Oh my!
why the heck you guys fish up the hill?
This is a. He's got another. He's got it. I'll get him. Oh, he's got. Yeah. He's got one.
Oh, no way.
I can't stop laughing. This is the funniest.
What the heck?
Dude, I don't know what to say right now, honestly.
Literally a line of 5'11".
Yeah.
I just want to keep using the top water because I love the blow.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh shoot. Oh, got one.
Yeah.
I got one too.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Oh my god. Here, I'll get him over you. Ready? Ugh. That's not a bad one. That's the biggest one of the day. Oh, dude, that's a good one. That's a 3. That's pushing 3.5.
Guys, no more top water for me.
I have a chatter right here if you need it.
You want to pick?
Yep, I'll take the chat.
It's a 6-foot ugly stick. Well, that's
You can muscle this shit out.
That's about a 2-pounder right there. Yeah, that's pushing 3. I'd say.
Ryan,
What?
are you filming?
Yeah, I've been filming this whole time, dude.
that one. Hey, we're tripling.
We're what? Is that a good one?
Oh yeah. Come on. Come on.
Oh yeah, that is a good one.
Here, hold this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a 2.5.
How big?
Oh, that's a good one. That's the biggest one of the day.
Hello.
That's like a 4.
Hello.
That's a 3.5.
Hello.
Dude, look at that. What?
Look at that.
Hey, catch one, catch one.
Oh. Sorry about that. Premature. That's awesome. Look at that.
Kobe, what the hell happened? Kobe, what the hell happened? Kobe, what the hell happened?
This is nuts.
What the heck?
Do you guys know it was gonna be this good?
Yeah. It was better. It was,
Way
we were
better
catching
yesterday.
bigger fish yesterday.
This is probably, this is
but
probably
like
our
this.
smallest.
You ready?
Because I'm going to catch a fish right here.
Bet. Got him. Got him.
This is a good one.
You can almost bet that you have one. You're gonna get one. No, that's a small one. Well, no, that is a good one. Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
That, that's a 3. Yeah, that's a 3. It's pushing 3. You guys are the best. This is gonna make such a dope video.
Wait till they see a kayak.
Got one. Got one. Hey, yo.
Then we're going to double right here.
Oh. Yeah.
You got one too?
Oh yeah.
Alec, where you at?
Dude, I don't know. I'm throwing the old chat.
Another one.
How come I'm not catching any?
He's got another one. It's all on the same bank. I don't even need to make any cuts on my video because we can non-stop just catch it up. Non-stop. Everyone has one on at least at one point. Oh, he's got one.
Why am I not catching any?
I get your last yellow, Alec.
Oh, there's one right there.
Lost him.
Oh, got one.
Well,
There was one right there. What the heck? He's got one, he's got one. How many fish are in here? A lot.
How come I've only caught one, huh? That's what I want to know.
Where are the 7-pounders? Are there 7-pounders in here? Oh, jeez. That was a 5, dude. I saw it.
Guys,
Yeah.
so many small ones in here.
Yeah. I mean, there's no like super dinks though. They're all good little chunks. They're all good 1.5s. He's got one? You got another one? Let me get one. Let me get one. Let me get one. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, yours is good. That's a good one. That's, oh my God, that's a 5. Holy crap. That's a 5. That's close to 5.
You have your scale on?
He just caught a 5. I got a scale, yeah.
Kobe's scale say it's a
All right, yeah.
3.5.
Yeah. Almost 4.5, 4 1/4.
See, my scale's probably not off.
Yeah. That's a good fish.
Hold mine a little further so it's bigger.
Let that big girl go.
This way might not even be getting out on the boat.
This is crazy.
Yeah, we caught double digits of those.
What?
They started not getting like that exciting.
Is that a good one? Oh, it is a big one.
Mike, you want to get it for me?
Here, I'll get it. Bring it over here. Yeah, that's a good one. Ah. Oh my God. Holy crap. There you go.
That one's thick.
That's big. That is big.
Your friend's chatterbait that I went and got at
That
Kevin's?
is big. Yeah. 4.7, yep.
4.7?
4 and 3, yeah. 4.8.
Mike, kick pick.
That's a big fish right there.
Felt like I
Oh God, that's a toad.
It felt like I set into a freaking wall. I've caught 2.
What is that on?
It's a Texas rig.
Attaboy, Alec.
That felt like a tank. Ow. Oh, that's probably why. Look what I did to its lip.
You're a god.
On the 6 stick.
On the 6 stick.
Andrew Flair's a G though. Put that in your video.
I know I will.
God, I thought that was huge.
Oh, that's a good one. Double up? I haven't got one in a while. I'll get one right here. Ready? Fish on?
Yeah.
Holy.
What's up with a boy?
What's
Oh,
up?
you want some? What's up? Huh?
Where are they at? I can't get one.
Oh, I don't know. We've only caught 30 of them in 10 minutes. This is the most lights out fishing I've literally seen ever in my life.
Yeah. Same.
Way, bro.
What?
No way.
He's got my Shadowlicious I broke off.
What? He's got your what?
My Shadowlicious swim bait.
Oh my God.
Maybe at Players
That
on
could
you?
have been when I missed.
You caught that one before?
Yesterday.
Or today.
What?
It could have been the one that I just lost.
You caught the same fish. I'll go with Alec.
Brady, you want to go with them?
Me and Alec will slay.
Let's go punch those reeds. You got a punching rig?
Mm-hmm.
Boy.
Yeah, boy.
Watch this long cast into those reeds.
Get him in.
Oh, he's double.
Doubled up, boys!
Yeah. That's a good one.
Stringer.
No.
That is a better one. Holy crap. That is a fat one.
Toad!
That's 3.
Pick.
Yeah.
Will you take one?
Pick.
I don't know.
Want me to get it on your Snapchat or something?
No, just take it on your phone, send it to me.
Okay.
I'm getting a lot of Instagram followers, so.